Behind it you have the instruction manual, and my cat wants to be in the video. Yeah, go, move on. Good afternoon, guys, and you're watching Tech, and I'm your host Nash. So today in the episode, I call it What's in the Box. We have the Nakamichi NM TW1126 Plus. That is a mouthful to pronounce. Well, I decided to purchase one of these Nakamichi earbud because I've been looking at it, and they sold quite a premium products, and I figure why not get one which is actually within my budget. Actually slightly above my budget, which is about 69 SGD. I got it. So what is so good about the earbuds? Pretty much nothing much stands out because it has the usual, as you can see in the specs, Type-C, Bluetooth 5, IPX4, water resistance, and it can last up to about 3 to 4 hours. That's all. Let's move on to opening these earbuds. Alright, so because I purchased this in Lazada, yeah, and I received the free gift of a travel adapter. Woohoo! Yeah, it's a travel adapter, so nothing much to see. It's the standard travel adapter, and the thing that we are here is for the earbuds. So let's read the feature and benefit of using this Nakamichi NM TW1126 Plus. It has the Nakamichi signature sound with Bluetooth 5. It has 6mm drivers to deliver great listening experience. It is IPX4. It can stand by up to 200 hours, including small, medium, large, to make it a fitting. That's it. Yeah, pretty much the meh. Yeah, so that's all. Let's just cut open. Yeah. So yeah, just slide it open and voila. Okay. It has a stain mark right here. So you are greeted with the earbud casing here. It's quite a big one, and oh my, yeah, that's not letting me open the thing. So okay, so anyway, this is the ear tip. You can just push it out. Behind it you have the instruction manual, and my cat wants to be in the video. Yeah, go, move on. Cheerio, come on, move on. Okay, so this is the earbud they've been saying, the medium, the large, and the small. And it's not even Type-C, it's micro USB. Oh lord. Alright, so that's all for the box. Now I see why it's cheap. Alright, so we can see this earpiece is oh my god, this hinge. I don't know. This hinge is like there's 2 levels, which is 1, 2. And I don't like that that has like the tak kind of feeling. So yeah, this is the earbud. It is like the Trujin SE. Is the bud is a clicky type. You can hear. Yeah, it's the clicky type. So does it have battery? I don't think it even have a battery in it, so I can't even. Oh wait, there is battery. Okay, it's turned on. So I guess the battery indicator. There. You can see there's the battery indicator right there. I believe it's the blinking type. So that's all. Behind it, there's nothing. Battery indicator here and a micro USB at the back, and the logo Nakamichi. So I will be back with the pairing phase to see how the sound like. So catch you all later. Alright, so welcome back to the pairing phase. So I have used this for a couple of hours. So one thing I first noticed that the moment I use this for gaming, it is no good for the compared to the all of the earbuds that I've been testing all this time. So clearly this thing is just made for purely for music, and on that aspect as well, the music also it fell more towards to the vocal side, because it is almost the bass is almost non-existent, but when it comes to music that focus more on the vocals and also like the background, it's actually quite nice to listen to. So one of the song I really like listen to the Nakamichi NM TW1126 Plus. It is the song called Canaria by ReoNa. The only instrument that is played is mainly the acoustic guitar and her voice singing, and it is very nice to hear. And yeah, and I really like it this earbud. Unfortunately, like for a $69 earbud, I won't recommend it at all. It is it is more expensive than the Soundpeace TrueGen SE, and also it is more expensive than the Sound Boom. So I'm like, I don't know what is this catered for. I guess those who just like purely classical music or vocals, because it is able to bring out the background music. And if I'm going to do this latency test, it is probably not going to do well at all. So this gonna like insert somewhere in the future as a like extra contender, because why not? To see how light is the earbud. Is about 4 kilo. 4 kilo. It's about 4 grams, and overall weight is about 46.5 grams compared to like the TrueGen SC, which is slightly big, heavier. And also yeah, it's basically this is the lighter than these two guys. But for really like for the price of $69, like I don't really recommend it at all. But I guess the material wise is okay. Is quite smooth, quite nice to feel. It's reminds me a bit of like the Realme Buds Q. If you want to see the video, there's a link there. Yeah, and also yeah, overall quite disappointing lah, but I quite expected that, because this is their cheapest one that I can find in their entire lineup, because it's about all of them is above 100 SGD. I'm not going to look at it, because like I say, the channel where I only buy stuff that I could afford, which is below $100 and preferably below 50 SGD. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting this for whatever reason, if you can get this about $30, yeah, it's good. It's good to buy, because it's quite basic. Because if you can see the controls as well, and the fact that it is still a clicky type, and it is a micro USB, it's a very hard sell to get for a 69 SGD. I recommend if you get the Sound Boom, ZNT Sound Boom, or the Soundpeace TrueGen SE. So that's all I could say. This is probably my shortest video I will make, because there's nothing much to say other than yeah, $30, go ahead. $60, Hell no. So that's all for me, and I'm just going to do a latency test in the future. So do hit that like button if you enjoy this quick video, and subscribe if you want to find out more. And that's all for me. This is Nash, and I catch you all next time. See ya.